Welcome to ROCKWOOL Technical Insulation's installation guidance videos. This is a series of videos demonstrating how to correctly install insulation. This video is about safety and personal protection. Safety is important. Installing stone wool is safe. When installing insulation, personal protection is required. Personal protection clothes and accessories have to meet the plant owner's requirements. For installation of ROCKWOOL insulation, only long-sleeve clothes, safety glasses and gloves are mandatory. The right tools are essential. The tools need to be in good condition. Before applying the insulation, it is important that you make sure that the site is accessible and that you have the required work permit. To ensure the high and durable performance of the ROCKWOOL insulation, the equipment you wish to insulate must be clean and dry. Coating must have been applied and properly cured, and, if relevant, heat tracing work completed. To summarize, you need the required personal protection, the right tools in good condition, a work permit, and the surface of the equipment you wish to insulate must be clean and dry.